1.
So in the last video, we showed you how to make a vector file from a Google image search. In this video here, we're showing you how to either engrave or cut from that file. So all we had to do to open it up is we install LaserDRW. You can see up here, LaserDRW. We go File, Open, and select where that file was saved. And here we have it. It's in the middle of the desk. The middle of our template. You can see if I zoom in, that I've set the center of the tree right here in this little crux, so we can make sure that it's placed in the right position. In the next video, I'll show you how to set the laser cutter to engrave or to cut where we want it to. So now we go zoom back out. So if we're setting the the engraver up to engrave, we take it to our laser cutter and we plug it into the USB port. Cool, and we'll go engrave. Now, if we were cutting, what we would choose, and cutting will cut around the outside of the shape of this. So that's kind of what we wanted to do. We can choose here, are we going to go small to large to small, inside first. For this drawing, I'm going to choose to do large to small. When I'm doing this cutting, if I go much faster than 20 millimeters a second, the drawing tends to get a little bit disjointed. If I were to be engraving, I click on here, change to engraving. Now engraving, as you can see, the cutter head can go much, much faster, around about 300 millimeters a second. The other setups that might be a little bit different to usual is we want it to refer to the center, and we want to have this X sitting at 199 and refer to the Y value here at 150. And one of the settings, if we go back to our cutting, we've got this thing here called join gap. Now it kind of does what it says. If there's a gap of less than 1 millimeter in the drawing, it will join the two lines together. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to do a cut. So I'll show you how to set up the cut. We're going to do a vector cut, which is not going to quite cut through, but it's going to create a really cool line drawing. So I will create another video that will show you how to do this.